In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money using Zelle with Truist. This simple process will help you quickly transfer funds to friends or family members with just a few taps on your mobile device. So let's get started and make sure your money gets to where it needs to go without a hitch. First, you'll want to have your mobile device ready with the Truist smartphone app installed. Once you have the app open, you're ready to go. The first action is to enter your user ID and password. These are the credentials you use to access your account, so make sure you have them handy. If you haven't logged in for a while, it might be a good idea to review them before you start to avoid any login hiccups. After entering your credentials, proceed by clicking on Sign In. This will take you to the main dashboard of your Truist account, where you can view your balances, transactions, and other account-related information. From here, you're going to want to click on the transfer option. It's usually located somewhere near the bottom of the screen, easy to find. Now, in the transfer section, you'll see an option for Send Money with Zelle. Tap this option to proceed. Zelle is a convenient way to send and receive money with individuals using just their email or mobile phone number, making it ideal for sending money quickly. Once you're in the Zelle section, click the Send Money button to initiate your transfer. You have options here to select recipients from your recent contacts if you've used the service before, or you can add a new recipient if you haven't sent money to this person yet. Simply tap on Add Recipient and enter their details, usually just an email address or a mobile phone number. After you've selected or added your recipient, it's time to decide how much money you want to send. Go ahead and type in the amount. Make sure to double check this figure to ensure it's correct, especially if you're in a hurry. Once you've entered the amount, tap on Review. This takes you to a confirmation page where you should double check all the details of your transaction. You'll see the recipient's info and the amount to be sent. If anything doesn't look right, this is your chance to go back and correct it. Finally, once you've confirmed that all the details are accurate and you're happy with them, click Send. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred money using Zelle with Truist. The recipient should receive a notification letting them know that the money is on its way. Remember, using Zelle is fast and typically involves no fees for either party, but always check with Truist to be absolutely sure about any associated costs. Now you are all set to use this efficient method for future transactions. Happy transferring.